In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom pictures or artworks to your Steam profile in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get your profile looking just the way you want it. First, you'll want to open your Steam app. It's easy enough to do, just find the Steam icon on your computer and give it a click to launch the app. Once you have it open, the first thing you'll need to do is head to the login page by clicking on Login if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password, be sure to double check that you've entered everything correctly and click sign in. This will take you to the Steam homepage. Now that you're on your Steam homepage, the next step is to navigate to your profile. At the top of the page, you'll see your profile name, click on it. From the drop down menu that appears, select view my profile. You'll now be looking at your personal Steam profile page. On your profile page, you will notice several tabs. Browse for the artwork tab and click on it. This is where all of your uploaded images will be displayed. To add a new piece, look for the upload artwork button and give it a click. When prompted with options, decide on not game specific, which allows you to upload images that are not tied to any particular game. Next, you'll want to give your artwork a title. This can be something creative or straightforward, just something that represents your artwork well. After that, it's time to upload your artwork file. Click to upload and select your image file from your computer. Remember to check the file format and size to make sure it meets Steam's requirements. It's always a good idea to provide a description for your artwork. This adds a personal touch and gives context to anyone viewing your image. You can describe what the artwork means to you, the inspiration behind it, or any other interesting details you think viewers might appreciate. Before you save your upload, you'll have the option to set the visibility of your artwork. Decide whether you want it to be public, visible to friends only, or private. This determines who can see your uploaded work, so choose the option that best aligns with your privacy preferences. Next, move on to rights and ownership. This section allows you to affirm that you have the rights to post the artwork, which is important as it ensures you're not infringing on any copyrights. Once all these details are filled out, click on Save and Continue. This final step will upload your artwork to your profile, complete with all the details you've provided, and that's it, your custom art is now proudly displayed on your Steam profile. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.